Imagine adding fresh herbs to your meals every day. Homegrown herbs taste better than shop-bought. They are easy to grow on a windowsill. Even if you have a small kitchen, you can have fresh herbs. Growing your own herbs is rewarding. You can snip off what you need when you need it. Herbs add wonderful flavor to soups, salads, and pasta dishes. Fresh herbs elevate your cooking. Windowsills are perfect for growing herbs, especially in apartments. They provide sunlight, essential for herb growth. You don't need a garden. A windowsill is all you need to become an urban gardener. Choose a windowsill that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. South-facing windows are ideal, followed by east or west-facing ones. Ensure your windowsill is wide enough to accommodate your chosen pots. Before you start planting, gather your materials. You will need pots with drainage holes, potting mix, and of course your herb plants or seeds. With the right preparation, your windowsill will soon be home to a thriving herb garden. Let's start with 3 popular herbs: basil, mint, and parsley. These 3 herbs are not only versatile in the kitchen, but also quite easy to grow indoors. These herbs are relatively easy to grow on a windowsill. They thrive in small spaces and can be a delightful addition to your home garden. They each have a unique flavor to enhance your dishes. Whether you're making a fresh salad, a hearty soup, or a delicious pasta, these herbs can elevate your cooking. Basil is a sun-loving herb that needs well-drained soil. It thrives best in a sunny spot where it can get at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Plant basil seeds about ½ an inch deep in the potting mix. Water them gently, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Mint prefers slightly moist soil and can tolerate some shade. It's a hardy herb that can grow in various conditions, making it perfect for beginners. It's best to plant mint in its own pot to prevent it from taking over. Mint has a tendency to spread quickly, so keeping it contained will help manage its growth. Parsley enjoys bright, indirect sunlight and well-drained soil. It's a biennial plant, meaning it has a 2-year life cycle so you can enjoy it for longer. Sprinkle parsley seeds on the soil surface and cover them lightly. Keep the soil consistently moist until the seeds germinate. Now that your herbs are planted, let's talk about their light requirements. Ensuring they get the right amount of light is crucial for their growth and health. Section 4. Sunlight. The key to happy herbs. Sunlight is crucial for healthy herb growth. Without adequate sunlight, herbs can become weak and leggy, struggling to thrive. Most herbs, including basil, need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. This ensures they develop strong stems and vibrant leaves. Place your basil pot on a south-facing windowsill for optimal growth. This position captures the most sunlight throughout the day. Mint can tolerate some shade, but it still needs around 4 hours of sunlight daily. Too much shade can cause it to grow slowly and produce fewer leaves. An east or west-facing windowsill would be perfect for your mint plant. These positions provide the right balance of light and shade. Parsley prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can be too harsh and may scorch its delicate leaves. A west-facing windowsill that receives afternoon sun, filtered through a sheer curtain, would suit it perfectly. This setup provides gentle light without the intensity of direct rays. Regularly rotate your herb pots to ensure all sides receive adequate light. This practice helps maintain uniform growth and prevents one-sided leaning. This will encourage even growth and prevent your herbs from leaning towards the light source. Happy herbs are those that receive balanced light from all directions. Section 5. The art of watering your herbs. Watering is essential, but overwatering can be detrimental. It's important to strike a balance to ensure your herbs thrive. Water your herbs when the topsoil feels dry to the touch. This simple test can prevent overwatering and keep your plants healthy. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil to check the moisture level. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Basil prefers slightly moist soil, so water it when the topsoil feels dry. Be careful not to let it dry out completely. Mint likes consistently moist but not soggy soil. Ensure the soil is damp but not waterlogged. Water your mint plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. This helps maintain the right moisture level. Parsley prefers well-drained soil and is susceptible to root rot if overwatered. Make sure the pot has good drainage. Allow excess water to drain from the pots after watering. This prevents water from sitting at the bottom and causing root issues. Remember to observe your herbs regularly. Monitoring their condition helps you adjust watering as needed. Their water needs might change depending on the season and the humidity in your kitchen. Adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Section 6. Enjoy the fruits and herbs of your labor. There's nothing quite like snipping fresh herbs from your windowsill to add to your culinary creations. Fresh herbs elevate the taste of your dishes. Imagine adding fresh basil to your pasta sauce or a sprinkle of fresh parsley to your salad. Not only do these herbs enhance flavor, but they also bring a touch of nature indoors. The aroma of fresh herbs can be incredibly therapeutic. So why wait? Start your own windowsill herb garden today and enjoy the delightful rewards.